Recording.
Okay, so here we are, out on another new Hypernaked. This time, the Aprilia Tuono B4 Factory. So, how many Ks have we done? Can't even see.
That thing to the right.
Sorry, what'd you say?
The left-hand button arrow to the right.
Left-hand button arrow to the right.
Keep going till it shows you.
Oh yeah, it's got 193 Ks on the clock. Just been scrubbing the tyres in, doing a bit of swapping and changing, having the last run on my 790 KTM before it goes up for sale. But what a beautiful bike, absolutely beautiful.